What? Come on, I know you want to see how I went from this to this to this. Yup. So keep on watching. I started off by using the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine shampoo and conditioner. So my hair is clean, squeaky clean if you will. So I'm going in with a protein treatment. And this protein treatment was only $2 at Walmart, so you need to get you one. And I only needed one to cover my whole head. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I definitely needed something different. I should have been focusing on moisture because my hair was too dry. And doing a silk press, you need to be moisturizing your hair. Your hair needs to be extremely moisturized and hydrated. My hair was thirsty, even after I rinsed this out of my head. I only used 3 products to achieve this look: the Chi Heat Protectant Spray, Tresemme Keratin Serum, and the John Frieda Frizzies Serum. My blow dryer is on high heat, medium speed, because she's 8 years old. Give her a rest, okay? I need a new one. Why nobody ain't tell me how this Chi Silk thing smell? Because it's got a smell, okay? It trick you. Start off good, and it get a little stank. It definitely sped up the blow dry process for me. I feel like it cut my blow dry time in like half, to be honest. So points for that, oral points for that. Personally, I prefer to go around and apply my product to all of my sections first and then go back and start with the back section to blow dry using the tension method. After I use the tension method to get my hair about 80-90% dry and stretched for the most part, I'll then go in with my blow dry brush, which is the Dry Vent brush, Red by Kiss, okay? It's cheap at the hair store. And this helps me to really focus on my ends to get them dry and stretched as well. The flat iron that I'm using is a 1-inch flat iron by Hot Tools. I got it from Ulta and it comes in 2 colors, purple and black. Obviously, I got the black one. It goes all the way up to 455 degrees, and you turn the dial on the bottom, that little light part, it blinks and twirls to go up and down the temperature. It has a 9-foot cord on it, okay? You need that. I needed that because my plug in my bathroom don't work. Anyways, here I am. I like to hit my roots twice, sometimes 3 times, just to get them straight first. And then I'm going in with the chase method. This is a heat resistant comb. You need one of those because the plastic ones will melt and ruin your hair. Okay, so pay attention. Oh, and by the way, when you buy this flat iron, it comes with a heat resistant glove. Baby, you need to be using that. I lost mine, but it really helps out because right here I burnt my ear a little bit and my scalp got burnt a few times too, but you may not realize that. But the problem is I'm gonna start to sweat. The AC is on, but my hands are gonna start sweating, and I'm not too big on the heat or whatever. It's not a problem for me, but that heat resistant glove is gonna help you to not transfer the sweat from your hands onto your hair. Think about that. You're getting your hair wet after you just straightened it. Be mindful.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think playing with. I'm beside myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you think I left by 1 or 2 times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause my house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, and I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting.
Yeah, I don't know who told me to get back here and hit a little 1-2 pose, but here I am. Okay, you see the results. I'm gonna be honest, I couldn't really enjoy it like that because, y'all, I need a trim so bad. Like, you can see I need a trim, okay? Don't get me wrong, I loved all the products that I used in this video. I love the results that I got. I know a lot of people like that fluffy silk press, but I don't. I want mine silk, slick, and I want it stiff, because once I wrap it and I come back, I'm good, okay? It's gonna hold its shape, it's still gonna bounce, it's still gonna float, and especially once I give myself that trim, baby, it's gonna eat, okay? It's gonna eat. So stay tuned. Check out my next video. It will be out soon, where I do trim my ends and style my hair, or at least attempt to. So yeah, bye.
So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with